Hi, my name's Timo and I'm the tech lead here at CloudClarity, and today I'm going to discuss how you can use our CSV import-export tool to quickly consolidate any inconsistent tagging you may have in your environment. So to start, I'm going to open up our tag health validator, and what the validator allows us to do is to quickly and easily identify any resources that are not using a certain tag key. So straight away we can see that only 89% of our resources are using the business unit tag currently, meaning there's some inconsistency in our environment because every resource should be using the business unit tag. So to resolve this issue, we created a tool called Tag Manager that allows you to review tagging consistency in a matrix. So I'm going to open Tag Manager now and see if we can't fix this problem and fix up that score. So opening Tag Manager generates a matrix of all the resources inside my subscription in resource group accordions. If I open up these resource groups, it will show the corresponding resources owned by that resource group. Currently, there are no tag keys selected, so I'm going to add some tag keys here to review, in particular, the business unit key we just looked at. So this drop-down pre-populates all the tag keys tenant-wide we might have. On typing B, I'm noticing, though, that there's an inconsistent usage of business unit, with both business-unit and business unit being found. I think this might be the culprit of our problematic tag health score, so I'm going to add both keys. I'm also going to add the owner key to only review resources that I'm the owner of. So adding tag keys here, we can now review and compare resource tag values for the corresponding resource row. And it looks like for the first resource found, its tag is marketing under business-unit, while business unit is empty. So straight away, this tells us there's an inconsistency somewhere in our environment, either with the scripts or with the general business understanding of the tagging name conventions we should be using. Say this was a big subscription though, remediating this in a view like this might take ages, and a lot of teamwork, consolidation, and investigation may be required. This view may need to be shared, reviewed, and modified by multiple team members. That's why we created the export and import CSV feature. So if I hit export now, the tool will automatically generate a CSV file which can be opened and edited in Excel. So if I open up this Excel file, we get a similar looking matrix to what we have in the tool, but with some additional columns being resource type and resource ID. It also allows us to quickly identify that and consolidate these business unit tags. So as we can see in this case, wherever business unit is missing a tag value, business-unit has the corresponding value. So if I update this view like so, and hit save, I can then import this back into the tool, like so. The preview matrix now shows the highlighted changes in orange. If I hit save, this will write this back to Azure and probably fix up that tag health score we just saw. Now there's one more thing we'll have to do once this updates, and that is delete the old business unit tag, business-unit tag that is causing some problems. We can actually do this from this view directly, and in this case we'll do it to save some time. So all I have to do is open up that, click on that business-unit key that we saw and hit the X's, and that'll automatically delete these resources in the preview matrix. So you can see that they have that red writing and that cross in the middle of them. And that signifies that if I hit save, this will delete those tags in Azure. So I'm going to hit save now. And once that updates, we will see that the business-unit tag no longer exists. So as you can see here, there's no values applied anywhere. We can now get rid of that other tag, and we can go back to our tag health validator and check whether that score has gone up to 100%. And huzzah, you can see the score is now 100%. If you'd like to share this with your team, you can export to PDF, and they'll see that you have a nice high score of 100% for your tag health report. Hope this has been informative. Have a nice day.